How are you all doing? Hope you're keeping well out there on this Saturday evening. The last couple of lunch breaks and work I've spent putting together a HX-6B little radio, 6 transistor radio, AM radio kit from China. So I thought I'd give you a quick look at it. I might get another one and put it together and make a video about it as well. This one actually works alright for what it is, I suppose. I'll give you a quick squint anyway. So here it is in all its glory. One of the transistors that came with it for the sound output was blown, and of course the only thing I had to hand was this old transistor here, which came out of a scrap Ferguson / Thorn 1972 hi-fi system, but it works, and that's pretty much it. I've tried to align it. I can't get the track right at the top end of the medium wave band, but it is what it is, and everything's a compromise, but it seems to work alright. And just to seal the coil on the ferrite rod, and you'll all be impressed what I used. Bit of wax off an old cap just to hold it in place. So as I say, it is what it is. They're about £6 or £7. They're everywhere. The HX-6B. This is a later one. The earlier ones had a brown board in them. So I'll let you have a quick listen and put it up here. So we did have it tuned into Radio Scotland, which I suppose isn't bad for what it is. Certainly can hear the phone anyway. And unfortunately it hears the phone too well. A bit of traditional Scottish music there on 810. As you can see, it's not quite on 810. And just to prove the point, on knob. Yes, the XH data has a bit more gain, but I suppose you'd expect that. I think it's a reasonable performer for where it is, what it is. Five Live or TalkSport or one of those. I don't even know what the specs are on that transistor I put in, so it could be causing a bit of distortion on the audio. I might look into that again. It's hearing the phone a bit too well, I'm afraid, but it gives you an idea anyway. So that's a little HX-6B. I thought you'd like that. Right, I'll catch you in the next one when I get back to all this. But that's a story for another day. Mind yourselves out there and take care. Oh, and if you'd like to see me put one of these together in real time, do let me know.